Kunyira rete na bona yabugirego egosukiwa ekiagere machine ye eyeteri kendero osanigo aya na ala marioga ali akorosiwo agokonya kwa bwena una bona mugaka etoko mubekera ega buye kabisa ega niga asaba to mutando bomogongo elindara rere kerara rere machine ye bone mokonye kuya ni ebintu mubyo mubere kuna bibwenda kopa igo bali mubwata abana bali bwate mechando balete bandu bali mubwate mechando yise mo chansoni mogongo gusumbuete bacho gusumbuete ade machine yega gokonyero bwena yega muna munye woche kuruka pelti 89 pelti ngi yasana pelti yega mono ewe tokonya praira ekero mondo bwate program yenda maybe no bwate program ye chinyigo no bwate program ya fiproils no bwate program yo mogongo no bwate program ya magoko kyagero ko bwate program ya magoko no kobega guchiga yega pelti yega marwere yenda gokonyere teri marwere yendoka usange no bwate program ya mareko program yega nabo kobeka mareko igoro baiga no bwate program yo moto nabo kobeka pelti ye buye yege kokonye no bwate program yege kuba epeliti na boko nyosuki bije yege kano bwate program na bali bwate pressure onto no bwata asima ke onungo gosumbu akere na boko suki kwanye beka yega ekiaga ni gerengi ya mono asoko konye metandeyo neba nongo Chinsa na boko nyosukia maybe kano bwata no metando bichinsa mo chanso na boko nyebeka yega kero kwanye bekeire kwanye karansira buje yega watirimbo go chama goronse na boko nyebeka paka kero nyebegete bensa kero kwanye bekire ya beirense yega kero bwate mechando ya magorobono kwabeke getamba wata chaigoro gaiga epeliti yega yago konye nere epeliti yildu bwate ngija gima ogotara nero go chandons konye chachi watu mekabuya watara nero yago konya mechando nge jonsi bwate elinde kwaira na okole gasi yao ya kawaida
nekene ina gitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa uwokurubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea niko bagutuka imeyomo cy'ubusungo asama gacho ahuru tawa sirirongo ya kabere eyiberanye nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero kusiba hakirisi mugwetara sinamba cyabo 0784 955 717 gose 0705 86 0053 Nuga Best kotanga mbuya kugwa kugwenia omugusi bono lishirika lya obwanjete lya Getembe Television Network amana Getembe FM nigo lyakoretero bokorere bwaye gocange nasore tutarere imiye nyombeli ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale ku Chinsa mu cya Kisii kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya Matildah iryo tunyara ko batogosangamo naye nagokina nyabunegisaku cy'umugusi Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network Ekeonga kyama mugusi
Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chawono mugaso tunyare ukumanya ayagendrete ime yenzi ya Kenya na kubwa muno ane ase serikali enene nchenkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa karibu sana sangana inchi Chinsa mocha Facebook Getembe TV YouTube na ro masemo na Getembe TV kurase bimanyirio nere Vanessa Nyawoke karibu sana nane kirongo chaka Ekeonga kurwa ase serikali enene nigubono Murai wense muske William Ruto ritukoria rero Chinsa chamambia anyarakora omuyiga bwogotianirwa kwabana chebina bobetanete 40 kirobono 35 babere bagoswase kigambero ekenene ke High Court ase ikigambero kende kyo kurigereria mangana y'ebintu bitonchukanene gose environment na bande banyara goswa asensemo yo kurigereria gose kugayana ebina bya maremo echinga kecho asensemo yekyombe gya komesa nigobono naro anyara gochora gose anyara ko batiania aba na chebi nabande ikome na babere asate bure bono asimiaka miaka 3 anyarire kobera visi nigobono anyarire gutenenera abana chebina 90 na batano batatu abo basoira se chobisi au iri koneke buna ebina byanyarire kogaya no na boigo ensemo yebigambiro negenderete gokoria buya.
I, Joseph Maloba Ibere, a judge of the High Court of Kenya, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya and to impartially do justice in accordance with this Constitution, as by law established, and the laws and customs of the Republic, without any fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence.
In the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted unto me, I will at all times, and to the best of my knowledge and ability, protect, administer, defend this Constitution with a view of upholding the dignity and the respect of the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya.
I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer and defend this Constitution with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial systems of Kenya and promoting fairness, independence, competence and integrity within it. So help me God.
A clap for her.
Tinga kiecho ni gobono omonogeri bwa serikali Isaac Mwaura anyarire gukwanira igati yemerobiri ya serikali eliyegenderete gwikirana ka gukwana na bariki ba mangana maya asoroboti ro wiki yiga nigo Isaac Mwaura anyarire korabuna ensemo eli yechisemi nigo serikali yanyarire kweneke buna kubwatukere chibesa chaboroke wa uchase chiskuru ase ebiro biganeire osekero chitamu chigo chaka eli kwangoya na boigo kuguswania emerobirio au ase chiskuru nechinga kiecho nigo atebire serikali nigo bono yanyare kwimukia gose yanyare kubeka ebitambokero ebitindi erikoneke una aborokiwa bali gose chiskuru chiri chitayo chabere chikoywa chibesa pono chirigo chikogendera ko baroro samatuko ale ebosio niga yakwanire ayega Chinsa charero cha mogaso.
As part of its commitment to supporting learners in public institutions, the government has released Kenya shillings 23.4 billion in capitation funds to support learners in public schools. The funding helps ease the financial burden on families and allows schools to provide necessary learning materials and support co-curricular activities. Primary schools receive Kenya shillings 1,400 per learner. The National Treasury has been disbursing these funds to the Ministry of Education each term, following a 50-30-20 distribution ratio across 3 terms. For the current cycle, there are monies that have been allocated into account 1 for public primary schools for learning materials. We have money for textbooks, maintenance, for exercise books, for teacher guides and reference materials, and also for stationery. It is very well. It's also therefore important to look at NEMIS. NEMIS has got very good data for anyone who wants to verify what is being done, because the government has been very keen to remove ghost students. There have been these problems where we don't know exactly the number of students we have, in a school, because that's now what people are using, to rip off the taxpayer of money. And that is the challenge that has been there, but that has already been dealt with the NEMIS program. For those who may want to know, NEMIS means the National Education Management Information System, that was launched as a successor to KEMIS. In the event that a school receives funds exceeding its allocation, they are also supposed to notify the principal secretary through the respective sub-county director of education to initiate the recovery process. Conversely, schools that are underfunded should also do the same. So if you are underfunded for whatever reason, then it is important to talk to the sub-county director, who then of course will compile and forward list of such schools to the PS. And that
Sense moyende mwaziri w'ubulindi boime umuzike kipchumba murikomen nigubono anyari kubatuka igikuro igetinde kucyase baria bagendete obonchoreria wa mariogo yogotindia kubwa muno amarwata nchiri kaukona kurase county ya Nyeri omuske murkome igobono anyare gotabuna basaya bange banyare gusira asi okunywa ebinyuwa ebyo anamono bikoengwa asi ebinyoro asatebire igobono humo teneneri bwa banyanyimbo anyare gotuma abanyanyimbo asi Chinsemo okoneke buna obonchoreri obu bwanyarire gotangwa nabo igo bitambukiro bitindi bimokiwe ase bali ababugende babigenderete.
We cannot continue living in a society where pombe haramu inauzwa, watoto wetu wanalala kwa mtaro, alafu watu wachache wanatajirika, wanapeleka watoto wao kwa shule ya kifahari, alafu watoto ya wengine wanalala kwa mtaro. That must come to an end and that must be done with finality. Na pia nataka niseme haiwezekani ati kwa sababu sijui wewe ni mwanasiasa kama huyo Ndegwa Mutondio na wengine kama yeye, ati kwa sababu you are bribing police officers and bribing people to sell alcohol kwa hapa, we will come for you and we will come for you hard. And I want to ask the Inspector General of Police, and I have talked to him, he has to send a special security team wakae hapa wiki 2-3 wakisaka hao wakora mpaka hii sehemu ikuwe safi, hii sehemu ya Nyeri. Juzi nilienda Kitale nikapata ukora inaendelea hapo kidogo, IG akatuma special team Kitale. Saa hizi wamama wanatembea usiku wakienda kusoko bila wasiwasi. And that is the thing we must do in every part of Kenya. Hii pombe haramu na bangi lazima tumalize, si namna hiyo? Lakini pia nataka niseme hivi, shida nyingine ambayo tuko nayo ni kwamba saa zingine wakishikwa hawa watu wapelekwe kotini, kuna pia magistrate huko ashalipwa. Sasa anapewa bail terms ile cheap, ile pombe inarudishwa kwa soko, yeye anaenda anafainiwa 100,000 na ni mtu ametengeneza 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. Nataka nimwambie county commissioner, wewe county commissioner, through the court users committee, mkae chini na magistrate na judges wa hapa Nyeri mkubaliane how we will make sure that there is enforcement, proper enforcement, ndio wakora wasikuwe wanaachiliwa kuumiza watoto wetu. So that is the direction we are giving kwa sehemu hii. Na hakuna mtu aende kujificha ati yeye ni magistrate is independent. Independence yake iko wapi kama watoto wanalala kwa mtaro? Lazima tukubaliane kama wa Kenya without looking at our departmental independence to make sure we deal with this issue of pombe haramu completely.
Na kubwatikana no kugusana na ukukwa gendere ko bago kwani kiwasikia magia ODM igobono haba ensemo yabatenenerive kiamekyo banyare wesokia na gotabuna ekiama nigo kigenderete gutwara chinguru nonya yarorekane buna chinkwana gusabara ibabiri bagwatana nikana ase chinkwana chiabo ukona kurase umuchie Mombasa litukore igoro nigobono igati yabo banyare kubura bunaniribia kukwanera so kwana nerio gelimo iliyo kogendereria gutingia ikiama Ekeonga ODM.
Are their brains better than these ones? Are their politicians better than these ones in this room? Mkienda hata bunge kuna debaters sharper than these ones. Mkikuja kwa magavana, there are no sharper ones than the ones sitting in this room. Mkikuja kwa mawaziri, hakuna wakakamavu kushinda wale ambao wako ndani ya uwanja hii. So we are the best of the best. Let's not beat ourselves. Let's not be discouraged. Of course we got a setback. We lost our leader. This has been our leader for 40 years. We must have a setback. Something must happen. But what I say, let's not remain down. Let's not remain discouraged. Let's collect ourselves and hold each other's hands and move forward.
I am so encouraged. Even tomorrow when I walk out of here, now I will keep reminding people that I am the SG of OD. It is time to settle. I am personally tired of being reduced in any media shows. They reduce me to discuss about an individual. This party is huge. It is massive. It is gigantic. It is bigger than an individual.
Wengine wetu tuko tayari kusupport anybody in the party. As long as I'm in ODM. Niko tayari kusaidia mtu yoyote. Mimi as long as chama kiende mbele. Usiwe na wasiwasi. Kama unataka deputy party leader, mimi niko tayari. Niketi chini, I will be a honest, humble member of the party. I'll support you. There is no need for you to walk away because of the positions that we are fighting for here. Lete ujuzi yako kutoka kule nje tafadhali. Ilete kwa chama.
ODM is solid. ODM is strong. And ODM is looking for power. And ODM shall get.
Was the ODM is looking for power, not all Ekeonga Chinsa Isano. Na Ibere chabona mugaso kolende tokende ko yasanga yunaenda mange ikoraga Chinsa ikome icharero marogo bato basagoska ikiagira umuro oberio o vibes on vibes and also asembeo sitakeka chinke chire bosio koleto asore nere DJ Kripa wakubwatirana na Mela chinkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa na Veninyavoke kurase bimanyirio gendera ko yebwatia merobili ya Getembe TV na wetera ase Chinsa mucheto mitandao ya kirero.
Omugusi bono lishirika lya obwanjeteria Getembe Television Network ama na Getembe FM nigo lyakoretero bokoreri bwaye gucanga nasore tutarere imiye nyomberi ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale ku Chinsa cha Kisii kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya Matildah iriyo tunyare ko batogusangamo naye na gukinanya bune bisaku cy'umugusi Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network Ekeonga kyama mugusi.